Hello everyone, Suzuki has an illustrious past when it comes to powerful motorbikes. In the late 1960s, they developed fast, reliable power but fell short in terms of bottom-end torque. This problem resulted in a lighter, faster, and more agile model equipped with a water-cooled 4-stroke motor. With the circulation of information about the imminent arrival of the new 700cc bicycle propeller, it will replace the majestic V2 from the SV series. Speculation is mounting about the models that will be equipped with this new unit. According to rumors, in addition to the almost obvious crossover and naked proposals, Suzuki could surprisingly propose a beautiful classic motorbike from a typical philosophy of the 70s, which pretty much defines the spirit of maxi motorbikes in the glory years of the phonics industry. Yes, the new Titan 700 will take back the thought of the first big-cylinder Suzuki at home. Actually, it was just a 5.002 two-stroke, but you have to think that in the early 70s, 500cc motorbikes were considered consistent cubing motorbikes. The original Titan was a typical Japanese motorcycle of the time, pragmatic and very well made. So much so that many of the models survive to this day in excellent condition. An extraordinary achievement thanks to a powerful air-cooled propeller, which if developed, would also be the protagonist of extraordinary sporting results and traditional but rationally designed cycling. Not very stylish. However, the bike has a book with bright colors typical of its time, making it attractive to young enthusiasts. Today, the new Titan 700 should follow in his footsteps, offering a very concrete and heavy vehicle, different from the typical quality of Japanese motorbikes and almost forgotten finishes and materials. A bicycle with good materials, suitable for all users, comfortable from engine performance and aesthetics, it is understandable. Intended to accompany your pilot for long periods and many kilometers. So that's our review for today. See you in the next video.